Now, this past week, we saw the Nio Stock going up by over 10%, bringing a lot of excitement to the new investors, especially those that were panicking when Nio reported those low delivery numbers on Monday. Now, this shows so many retail investors that Nio is a stock which so many analysts or so many big financial institutions are believing and hope that it will do well in the future, which is why its shares never responded badly even after those delivery numbers. Now, Nio is one of the stocks that so many big financial institutions are reiterating or increasing their price target on it. I mean, first it was Goldman Sachs which increased its price target to $56. Then it was Deutsche Bank that increased or reiterated its price target to around $70, and others also. I think we read so many big financial institutions this week reiterating or increasing their price target of Nio, which is something that is incredible. And this is one of the things that has to show you the kind of potentials that lies within this Nio stock. I mean, the fact that so many big financial institutions continue to reiterate or increase their price target on the Nio stock, it's something that has to motivate you also to stay long onto this Nio stock, or even load the boat on this stock, because it is just set to do very well. Otherwise, Nio, guys, this coming week on the 9th of November, which is this coming week Tuesday, will be releasing their earnings results. Now, these earnings results, I believe that, to me, are going to be one of the catalysts that might make this Nio stock to rise further. So many of the retail investors want to know what number Nio anticipate to deliver for the Q4 of 2021, which is something that is even me myself, I'm patiently waiting to see that on their upcoming Q3 earnings results. Otherwise, for the upcoming Q3 earnings, we know that Nio will report some good earnings results because of the record delivery they reported for the Q3 of 2021, which is something that is incredible, because you will know by now that for the Q3 of 2021, Nio delivered 24,439 vehicles, which is something that is incredible, because that was 100% year-over-year increase. Now, this is one of the things that makes me want to believe that Nio will report some good earnings. To see them reporting or thrashing quarterly numbers that they reported for the Q2 earnings is something that has to motivate you to continue staying long on the Nio stock, because it's like what I've been telling you, Nio continues to thrash their previous record in terms of their quarterly delivery numbers, which is something that has to show you the kind of demand that we are getting or seeing on this stock. I mean, one of the good things that really brought a lot of excitement this week, it was when we read that the president or the co-founder of Nio indicated that Nio has been receiving orders, or their monthly orders have been surpassing the 10,000 vehicles on a month to month, which is something that has to show you the kind of demand that we are seeing on the Nio cars, which is something that I believe it's going to continue to make Nio to do well in the near future, because anyways, this just shows you that there is demand in their products, which is something that is incredible and has to motivate you to probably add more holdings on the Nio stock or hold your current holdings for a longer term. Now, the Q2 earnings results, you will remember that Nio did tremendously well because they managed to beat the analyst expectations in terms of the EPS and the revenue generation, which is something that is incredible, because you remember that for the Q2 of 2021, analysts had expected Nio to report a negative 0.55 yen for the EPS, but Nio managed to report negative or minus 0.21 yen, which is something that is incredible and has to show you that they continue to get closer and closer to become profitable. I mean, same with the revenues or with the total revenues. Analysts had expected Nio to report total revenues of around 8.38 billion yen, but they reported total revenues of around 8.45 billion yen, which is something that is incredible. Otherwise, for this upcoming Q3 earnings, Nio is expected to report an EPS of negative 0.3 yen with total revenues of around negative 9.41 billion yen, which is something that is incredible, which I personally believe that they will be able to beat these analyst expectations, because like I said, they did very well in terms of they delivered for the Q3, which is something that is incredible and has to show you of what Nio could produce for the upcoming earnings results. Otherwise, these earnings results, like I said, are the ones that I believe will probably boost the share price of the Nio stock, because yeah, I believe they did very well, and at the end, the fact that they reported way better deliveries than the ones that they delivered in the Q2 of 2021 is another good sign that make us to see that they will be able to report some good figures for these Q3 earnings results, which is something that is incredible. Now, Nio is one of the big tech stocks in China that were impacted by the Chinese crackdowns. And on yesterday's video, I did discuss that Barclays believe that now is a good opportunity for you to go in and buy these Chinese tech stocks. And I truly believe that with Nio, this is one of the stocks that is offering some good opportunity for you to probably go and jump in and buy or add more holdings to the Nio stock, because it is set to do very well. And the fact that even so many big financial institutions are increasing their price target on this stock, it's another sign that should tell you on what we can expect from this stock. I mean, this stock as it stands currently has a strong buy. I mean, this is something that has to show you that, I mean, almost all analysts believe on the strong fundamentals, or believe that this is one of those stocks that is just set to do very well. And just this coming month on the 18th, they will be launching new products on the Nio Day, which I believe is after that day, so many investors might want to seriously jump in this stock because of their latest products. As you know that on that day, they are usually showcasing their new products and all those kind of things. Otherwise, Nio continues to be a very good stock, which continues to add more fundamentals to their existing fundamentals, which is something that is truly amazing and has to motivate you. I mean, I've discussed so many good things about this stock here on this channel, and because I believe in what they are doing and in where they are going. And I think that this is one of those stocks that so many retail investors few years down the line are going to regret not taking these current trading levels and buying this stock, because where we are going, guys, a few years down the line, this stock will be trading, or this stock will be so expensive, and many retail investors, especially those that are just starting their stock market investing journey, might not be able to probably afford buying this stock at higher trading levels. So it is important that you look into this stock now and see if you can add it to your positions, because like I said, a few years down the line, I believe that the share price of this stock will seriously rise to the moon, which is something that is incredible. Otherwise, this video was just for entertainment purposes, and you should not take it as professional financial advice. Otherwise, if you seek professional financial advice, you would know what to do by now, and that is you need to go and consult the professionals. Now, if you like the content that I was sharing about the Nio stock on today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. That is, of course, if you have not subscribed to the channel already, so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, me personally, I believe that on the upcoming earnings results, Nio is going to thrash those figures that analysts are expecting out of this upcoming Q3 earnings results. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget again to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.